Hey folks, Keith with 93 Lumber coming back at you with another beer. Oddbird Brewing. I went down there today and I got some beers. And I am reviewing a few of them today. Or I'm reviewing the ones that I want to review tonight. And I'm gonna be up late because I'm gonna do some cleaning and I want to drink some beers. And I also don't want to forget about them because I got things to do and stuff. So I want to make sure I get to them in a timely manner. This is a growler, pre-filled growler of their One Odd Year. It is their second anniversary, Belgian Dark Strong. 11% alcohol by volume. Ugh. Tripped over my words a little bit there. So yeah. I went down there today, grabbed some beers. And yeah. This is probably a little bit colder than what I would normally drink something like this at, because I need to put it in the other fridge because actually I do have room in this fridge, but you know what? I wanted to keep it cold because it's a growler, so just to avoid any issues. Using my oversized Duvel glass. Yeah, it's a nice it's like a nice maroon color, like a reddish maroon color. looks really nice. This glass has one of those little agitator things on the bottom, so there's a bunch of carbonation coming up. That is like 3/4 of a finger of what is that? A little darker than khaki head, something like that. Yeah, looks good. Let's see what it smells like. I feel like this glass isn't the best. It kind of smells, from what I can smell, it kind of smells like grape juice. It smells like grape juice. There's touches of like dark fruits, like cherry. It's like a grape cherry juice. Oh, a little bit of Belgian-y thing in there. Right? It's a Belgian strong ale. Yeah, getting a little bit of the Belgian yeast character. It's probably way too cold. I did let it sit out for a little bit. But it's kind of cold in the house. So it didn't warm up as quickly as it would normally, because I had the heat off because it was kind of nice today, but now it's freezing. Yeah. Yeah. Like that grape cherry juice, a little bit of Belgian yeast, and a little bit of like the candied sugar thing. It smells really good. Let's see what it tastes like. Cheers. Yeah, it's too cold. But yeah, really good. Yeah, the fruitiness is a little more like actual dark fruit, like dates and figs and cherries. There's a little bit of like a tart cherry thing too. Yeah. The Belgian candied sugar. It is pretty sweet. But it's not... It's very sweet. But it's not... like... I don't want to use the word cloying, even though that is... it's not cloying. Cloyingly sweet. But, like... It is, like... I feel like if it was a touch sweeter, it would be too sweet. Like, it's on that edge. Excuse me. But it's a fucking 11% Belgian strong ale, so yeah, it's gonna be sweet. I really like this. I feel like there's yeah. Sorry. I'm hyper focusing. That happens sometimes. Let me shake that off. Yeah, I don't know if there's anything I want to add to that. I think I said all the things. I think. But yeah, I'm really glad I got to try this because I know they released it a little bit ago. A few weeks ago, I think. Or maybe it wasn't that long ago. I don't know. Time is a lie and whatever. But yeah, super excited. And now I have an odd bird growler. Not that I need any more growlers because I literally have a whole box of them at the box is at my parents' house right now. But yeah, looking forward to drinking this and the other beers. Yeah, not getting any alcohol. Maybe just a touch of like like, I don't know. It was really good. I would maybe say it's a touch too thin. It's a little thin, maybe. Or maybe it's the carbonation. I don't know. Yeah. Yeah. I would like a touch more carbonation. It is carbonated, but it's... I would like a touch more carbonation. And it's a little thin. But maybe a touch more carbonation would help with that, but I don't know. I feel like every time I review a beer, it's like my first time drinking a beer, and I have no idea what I'm talking about. My mind just goes blank. I don't know. It's good. I like it. Got a little bit of that grape juice thing right there. I really like that. So yeah, if you're in the Stockton, New Jersey area, I definitely would recommend checking them out. Or if you're passing through, definitely. And yeah, you can like this video if you'd like to. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. You can follow me on Instagram at 93lumber. That's spelled out 93lumber. And we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.